You can click Group Similar Corners to group similar corners, apply a corner treatment to the group, and edit the groups as required. This is especially helpful for large structural systems that contain multiple corners. In this example, I'll click Corner Management in the feature tree to edit the existing treatments. I can highlight a simple, two-member, or complex corner, and then click the button to automatically group similar corners. Note the arrows in the graphics area pointing out each corner in the new group. And when the corner group is selected, individual corners are listed in the Similar Corners panel. Note that all the corners listed here must use the same treatment. You can right-click one of the listings in this panel to remove the corner from the group, zoom into a corner, or choose Clear Selections to dissolve the group. When I exit Corner Management, you can see that the grouped corners are contained in a specific folder within the Feature Manager tree.